Here, these are all the chocolate coins I have.
Oh, thank you, Sammy, but what's the rush?
Sue, you won't believe it. Wait a moment. This wasn't the note from Sam from the future. You just wanted chocolate coins. Well played, Sue. Well played.
No offense, Sammy, okay? I just wanted to hint at the new craft we're going to make.
Oh, are we gonna make a time machine?
Not exactly, but you'll see in a bit. Hi, guys! Are you ready for a new awesome craft? As you can see, I've already colored all the pieces.
Wow, so we are making a time machine.
No, we're gonna make a vending machine for your chocolate coins. Why are you so obsessed with time machines? Thanks to this transparent piece, we'll see the chocolate coins rolling down. Now, let's attach this plastic piece with the help of hot glue. Guys, ask an adult to help you at this stage.
Sue, admit it. A time machine is a very useful everyday device.
Actually, I wouldn't mind having my own personal time machine. You can go back in time to finish all the things you plan to do, for example. Or you can jump into the future to finish the craft quickly. I never have enough time to complete my to-do list. Wow, cool!
Well, no wonder. Here it is. I brought it so you don't forget anything.
Thanks, Sammy. Yeah, my day would be super productive if I had a time machine.
Ugh, Susie, I definitely find a better way to use my personal time machine.
Oh, why don't you like my idea? I think it's a rather effective time management method.
You know, going back in time to wash dishes doesn't sound all that exciting. I'd go back in time to eat Nutella forever.
Wait, how are you gonna eat Nutella forever?
Just imagine, you finish a jar of Nutella, go back a few minutes, and the jar's full again.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you want to eat Nutella forever, too. Seriously, though, time travel requires careful preparation.
Oh, shoot, everyone says that. What's so difficult? Get in and go.
Sam, is time traveling as simple for you as brushing your teeth? Guys, we made the upper barrier on our little door. We need a coin to make the lower one.
By the way, it would be fun jumping into the future where your teeth are already brushed every morning.
So you can make them dirty with chocolate coins again.
Also with Oreo, Nutella, ice cream, waffles.
I'm afraid this list is endless.
Marshmallows, chocolate flakes, honey flakes.
With the help of this moving piece, the chocolate coins will fall into the machine. It'll look like this. Cool, right?
Spaghetti, cheese balls, crackers.
Sammy, please stop!
I just love all kinds of treats.
The door for our vending machine will work thanks to these rubber bands.
Wow, looks like a time portal.
Huh. Have you already been inside a time portal, Sammy? And if you have, why didn't you take me with you?
You don't need to see a time portal to understand what it looks like. You can just watch movies, like I do.
Ah, well, you're a real professional at that.
You bet.
This is how the door will work. It'll push the chocolate coins straight into the machine.
Sue, I didn't know you were into fishing.
What are you talking about, Sammy? I'm too obsessed with fashion, you know? I simply don't have time for fishing. I need this string for the craft. With the help of this string, we'll be able to move the door we've just made.
It's actually fun to cast a fishing rod, sit on a stone, enjoy the sunset.
Yep, you don't even notice the time fly by. Poof! Let's remove the extra part of the stick and fix the construction with glue. Our mechanism for the coins descent is ready! Alright, while Sam's dreaming of fishing, we're going to make the body of our vending machine. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button not to miss new videos. Sammy, have you made the piece I asked?
Everything is calm. You can hear the waves, and then you notice the bobber moving.
Huh, I guess Sam's gonna have a new hobby soon.
Ugh, Sue, can you imagine it? I was daydreaming and didn't notice the time go by.
Well, think of it as time traveling. Guys, Sammy made a great handle for our machine. Right. Let's see. And I'll place this here. There you go. The mechanism we're making now will push the chocolate coins into the machine.
It's so strange. Sometimes you don't notice the hours fly by, and sometimes minutes can seem awfully long.
Yeah, right. It depends on what you're doing. For example, now that we're crafting, I don't even know how much time has passed.
It's the same when you're reading Marvel comics. You just open the book and bam! You're at the last page in no time.
That's why it's so cool to have hobbies. Mine are crafting and fashion, but I'm always open to something new. Even fishing at sunset would be fun. Now we need to glue this piece to the body of the machine.
Sue, shall we make a time machine next time? I have some design ideas.
Well, design is not quite enough for time traveling. Carefully cut the extra part. Guys, look, if I pull this string, the mechanism's activated. Perfect!
Why do you doubt we can make the greatest time machine ever?
Sammy, we haven't even finished this craft yet. First of all, you need to create a detailed blueprint of the time machine.
A detailed blueprint? Easy peasy.
We made the base of our machine. Now we can move to the next step. Guys, now we're going to make a lever that will activate our machine. Ask an adult to help you at this stage of the craft. Well, Sammy, are you convinced now that even making a blueprint of a time machine is very difficult?
Sue, you underestimate me as usual. I created the blueprint and considered every detail.
Wow, so quick? So how are we going to travel in time?
It's really simple and genius.
Sounds promising. By the way, we're making a base for the lever that will activate our machine. So, Sammy, tell me your simple and genius plan.
Right. We'll take a lot of waffles, cover them with Nutella.
Whoa, are you sure we're talking about time traveling?
Let me finish. We'll cover them with Nutella. Then, this is important, we'll put a camera next to the plate.
Oh, wait, Sam, you're confusing me. Are we gonna get to the actual time machine construction?
Hear me out, Susie. We'll put a camera to see where all the waffles disappear so fast.
Guys, we need to glue the lever to the body of our machine. Insert the lever into the thread and this opening and glue its base.
So, did you memorize the plan? This is how we'll figure out the time travel technique, and we'll build our time machine based on that.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, but waffles don't travel in time.
Ugh, what do you mean they don't? So why every time I start eating waffles is there a whole plate full of them and a second later the plate's empty?
It's simple. You like waffles so much that you don't notice finishing the whole plate.
I don't know. It's not convincing. I think you're not paying enough attention.
Fine. Anyway, you need to work on your plan some more. Our vending machine is ready.
Sue, how about adding some more decor?
Yes, Sam, you're right. Ta-da! Shall we add more golden elements? There.
And don't forget chocolate coins.
Sure, Sam. We're making all this for them after all. It's time to build a machine with chocolate coins.
Oh, that's my favorite part.
Sam, now all your chocolate coins will be stored in our cool vending machine. Guys, our machine is ready. Give a thumbs up and hit the bell button if you liked making this craft with us. Well, Sammy, are you ready to get the first coin out of our vending machine?
I am.
Here we go. I hope the chocolate will help you generate ideas for the time machine project.
Oh yeah! Sue, we're gonna build the most powerful time machine ever!
Also, chocolate will help me design stylish outfits.
I need one more coin.
Here you are.
Yummy!
Check out this cool vending machine we made. Give a thumbs up and sub.
One more.
Oh, sorry, Sammy, but we've run out of coins.
See, I told you they run away from me into the future. How could they disappear so fast? Great Scott! I urgently need to build a time machine!
Sammy? Anyway, guys, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Bye-bye!